Hey everyone, I'm Joshua Goldberg, and this is Bubbie's Kitchen. Today, we're with Heléne Cherrin in Birmingham, Michigan.
Hi everybody, I'm so excited to be here.
Heléne was born in Sweden and has been baking since she was 15 years old.
Today, we're going to be making Vetebröd.
Swedish coffee cake.
I warmed up butter, milk, sugar, vegetable oil, salt, and vanilla extract. Active yeast has bloomed, and I can now pour this in the mixer where I have 2 eggs. It's called for 8 cups of flour. I always start with 6 cups of flour. You can't delete the flour. You can always add more flour. It's going to rise for 15 minutes. Josh, I think it's time for a break. Let's have a fika.
Fika is a Swedish coffee and pastry break. It occurs twice each day in Sweden.
Wherever you're working or even at home, you take a break, 11 o'clock in the morning, and everything stops and you put the coffee on, and sometimes you have a piece of cake, and that's the first break. The second break comes usually around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a Swedish tradition, and you take 2 fikas a day.
So you were born in Malmö.
I was born in Malmö. My grandparents came from Eastern Europe and settled in Scandinavia. I fell in love with the English language, and having seen all these American movies and loving the language and not being able to understand, I wanted to learn the language in the worst way, and that's why I came to America.
As a Swede, do you love IKEA? Do you feel at home at IKEA?
Yeah, actually I do, because everything that they sell has Swedish names, so
That's what I'm saying.
Do feel at home. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know if you can take the Swede out of the girl, but you know, here I am. So the dough is risen. We're going to do a couple of different shapes. 4 tablespoons of butter. This is not a diet cake.
Huh. But it's a taste cake.
Oh yeah. We're going to put the cinnamon sugar mix. Be generously with raisins.
No objections from me.
Oh, you like raisins? Now we're going to roll it up. Now we're going to make it real beautiful. And you need a scissor. Hold the scissor on an angle and make a cut on top and turn it over. Make the next cut and turn this piece to the left. Make another cut, turn it to the right.
So it's center, left, right. I mean, that's incredible.
Isn't this pretty?
That's incredible what we just did.
Yeah.
What you just did. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing.
Now I'm going to make another. Generously sprinkle cinnamon and sugar.
See, coming right out. Oh. There you go. See, the thing is, I was using my fingers.
Yeah.
Heléne is using her hand.
That's true. We're going to try a little marzipan. Would you like to taste a piece?
It's pretty good.
Yeah, it's almonds and an egg yolk. I just make little lumps.
So this is the pärlsocker. So
Pärlsocker.
and that's pearl sugar.
Yeah.
And it's these. I'm just going to take a little.
And they don't melt.
Right, they don't melt. They're these little hard pieces of white sugar that are featured on a lot of Swedish desserts.
In the oven.
Our Vetebröd are out of the oven. They look fantastic. You can smell the cinnamon and sugar.
Let's give it a taste.
So good.